everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. When I'm bringing another original design, this is the Récolte knot. That is the French word for harvest. There's your word for the day. We got two ties, got one skinny tie and one fatter tie to show a contrast. And I use a really bright and really dark color to show contrast also. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a dimple there, or just fold it in half, and we'll bring both of them up and over. So what I'm going to do for the top one, which is the skinny black one here, I'm going to put the orange one back there, put the black one down around like this. We're just going to do a cylinder around here, so not as detailed. We're just going to do a cylinder. We're going to let it kind of come down a bit, kind of spread it out like that, and just bring this up and over here like this. So that's what we have so far. We're just going to kind of open it up. Now the orange one's we're going to have the most detail, because this is just going to be a base color. So we're going to come down, we're going to come up and over. So the bottom tie is going to be the one where all the detail is, the top tie is going to be where all the background color is. So we're going to kind of flip it. So we're going to have, usually it's the bottom tie that has all that. So we're going to do a wreath. I'm going to come around like this, and we're going to do the same process. We're going to come around like this. We're going to create two wreaths there. Then I'm just going to fold this in half, put this underneath this one here, presto. There you have that. Let me put my collar down. There you have it. So again, to see the picture of this knot, go to my Instagram, Simmons Essentials, and get it. Oh, no, it's not, my friend. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.